Hello and welcome to the Auto Traction channel. Today, we're diving into the world of ultimate farming power with the John Deere 8RX 410, a beast that's redefining modern agriculture with its exceptional technology and unmatched performance in the field. This isn't just a tractor, it's a revolution on tracks, designed for maximum traction and minimal soil disturbance. The 8RX 410 is built to handle the toughest conditions while delivering smooth, consistent power. The 8RX series is famous for its 4-track system, and the 410 model stands out with its incredible stability and reduced compaction. This is a machine that glides through the field, offering superior grip and flotation, especially in wet or uneven terrain where traditional tractors might struggle. Under the hood, the 8RX 410 is powered by a John Deere PowerTech 9.0L engine, delivering up to 443 horsepower with intelligent power management. This ensures optimal power output precisely when needed, giving farmers the edge during heavy-duty operations like deep tillage, planting, and heavy hauling. It's not just about brute strength, it's about smart, efficient muscle. The Command View 4 cab inside this tractor is an experience of its own. It offers exceptional visibility, quiet operation, and ergonomic controls, making long work days feel less demanding. With the latest Generation 4 Command Center display and fully integrated precision ag technology, this tractor puts complete control at the operator's fingertips. From auto track guidance to JD-Link connectivity, everything is designed to boost productivity and reduce input costs. Whether you're plowing, planting, or hauling, the 8RX 410's seamless integration of technology and hardware makes it the go-to machine for serious farming operations. Its suspension system and track configuration absorbs shock and vibration, ensuring the ride remains smooth and stable, even on rough terrain. The ability to maintain consistent speed and direction in the field boosts efficiency and reduces overlap, saving time and fuel. Built for endurance, the 8RX 410 also comes with robust serviceability and diagnostic features. Maintenance is made easy with accessible components and proactive alert systems, reducing downtime and maximizing operational readiness. Farmers know that reliability is everything, and John Deere delivers. This is more than a tractor. It's a productivity machine designed for the future of farming. Stay tuned and don't forget to check out more videos on the Auto Traction channel daily for the latest reviews and machines in action.